This is just a better look of the muzzle and what it looks like close up. It's not felted or anything, and it's just foam. So you're gonna take a shape kind of like this, but it can be bigger. I would suggest it to be bigger than you need it to be, so you can cut off excess around it, and you're going to cut out the shape and then flip it over and trace it to make both sides of the, the muzzle. And for the snout, for the top part, you're going to cut out kind of a shape like this, just so it fits on your top, this part. Just make it bigger than you need it to be so you can cut off excess and stuff, and then glue the pieces together, and there you go. Have fun.